Jasper Beer Gardens. It used to be called Friendly Falls if you've been there before. And we're going to gem mine. We got a big bucket and a small bucket, and Aunt Linda's picking a bucket for us. The big bucket was $25 and the small one's $15. What about a small one? We're going to let Linda pick the bucket. Red one? Cool. I got this one. And you pay right here at this little desk. And they also have barbecue and beer here. Look at that waterfall over there.
Okay.
So there is a really beautiful waterfall here. It's included with your bucket, or if you come to eat, they'll let you just come check out the waterfall. And it looks like they got a lot of picnic seating and stuff down here, which we'll show you in a minute. The walkway up top here is wheelchair friendly, but you do have to come downstairs. So if you are in a wheelchair, you won't be able to do the gem mine here. But you can still come see the waterfall. But if you can't walk the steps, they don't have another entrance right now. Got cornhole. They didn't have that before when it was friendly college. Or all these picnic tables and stuff.
Well, there wasn't but like maybe 3 out here.
And then I like the fire pit too. Oh, and you can get in the water still here. So you can get in the river here. There's no lifeguard and you're enjoying it at your own risk. But you can go out in there. Oh, it came last time it was raining.
Yeah, and they had this actually set up underneath there.
Yeah, they've moved it. It says, do purchase a bucket at the store, choose a shovel and sifting box, collect gems in your bag, leave your empty bucket when you're finished. Don't take any mining tools to the river, take anything from the river to the mine, sit on the shelves, put gravel in the mine, or play in the civil trowels or cross the ropes. So don't go across those ropes. Here's the gem mine, and then your shovels are right here. And this is where you leave your empty buckets. So yeah, just pick out a couple shovels. Okay. I mean, gem mining. If you've ever done it before, don't do that. Wait till it's in the water, and you put it in there, and you sift, and you get a pretty rock. Actually, there's a couple of pretty rocks. There's some little quartz in there. And we're gonna gem mine, and then we'll show you guys what we find at the end. Whoop. It's not, okay, there it goes. Chris found a really pretty piece of quartz. We haven't even made it very far into the bucket. I already found an arrowhead. Chris got some pyrite. And look at this pretty piece that Linda found already.
That one's pretty.
Is this your first time gem mining? Do you like it so far?
I like it. I ain't never done my
She's never done it before. That's awesome.
Look.
What'd you find? That's a pretty rock too. We don't know what anything is, just so y'all know. If you know, comment, tell us in the comments below if you know what we found. want to show you guys what we filmed in our gem mining buckets. Most of this pile came from the small bucket, and we showed some of it as we were doing it. So this was the $15 bucket. I got some stuff out of this bucket too, but there was this one and this one, and there's some quartz and some selenite in here. I think the really clear is the selenite, most likely. And look, Chris got all these little tiny pieces right here. But there's some really pretty variety in it and lots of good colors. And I think I found there's some more that come out. Do this. Okay, this one's gorgeous. I have no idea what it is. Linda found this one in the big bucket. Most of this come from the big bucket, but I think the little arrowhead came from the big bucket, and the big one came from the small one. Chris found this. This is the rock I dropped earlier, this little clear pebble. And we found this one, and all these little baby ones. And this was one of the cooler ones we found. And Linda found all these pieces right here that are beautiful. So I'm gonna walk around and show some of the stuff they have out here. They have another cornhole board over here, and they have Jenga and chess, checkers, and dominoes, and whatever this is, I have no idea. There's the big Jenga pieces. They have this game, which is where you like try to hook it on the little thing. I'm not good at that game, and I'm on a slope, so it's extra hard. They have porta potties out here. They do have hand sanitizer out here. And then here's like the firewood for the pits. They have dartboards. There's a wagon. And I don't know what this game is. It's something with sandbags too though. Beanbag. It's called battle bags. Where you try to you get points for getting them in the different ones. So you can walk out into the water over here. The lights are really pretty out here. Or they have this spot over here. It's not closed today. Sometimes it's closed. Where you can walk down these stairs and see this part of the waterfall, which is really pretty over here. It's so pretty here. It's unusual and really cool for them to have a private waterfall here. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend coming and doing the gem mine. And the food smelled good, but we already ate, so we didn't try it. But I'll show you guys the menu before we leave. 10 out of 10 recommend?
Yes. If nothing else, you get to see a beautiful waterfall.
Yeah, there's nowhere else that you can gem mine around here and look at a pretty waterfall while you do it. Okay, so I got a bag full of the big gems, and it's completely full. That's a quart size bag. And then this is the small pieces, and there's still a lot in there. So from the big box, or the big one and the small one, we got a whole lot of stuff. I definitely suggest getting the big one. There was a lot of good stuff in there, but the little one had good stuff too. Coming back down to see the waterfall again, down these little steps to the right. I want to get closer. I'm not wearing the right shoes for this. I'm never wearing the right shoes for anything that we do. You can actually get really close. Did I even record? Sorry. I don't know if I hit the record button. Thank you. At the Red Jasper Beer Garden. The last time we were here it was called Friendly Falls.
Yes.
As we said before, the new owners are really super nice. definitely come check this place out. We asked some people, they said the barbecue was delicious, so come get you something to eat, get you a beer, go enjoy the gym mine and the beautiful, beautiful waterfall here.
Yes, and just relax.
And this is a family-run business, so help come out and support them when you're here in Pigeon Forge. It is located off of Wares Valley Road in Pigeon Forge. So you just come up Wares Valley and it'll be on your left leaving Pigeon Forge. Alright, so we'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, so that's going to do it for...
Wait.
Beep, 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 beep.